Alright guys, little Louis here. So we just got this brand new SSD from the mail, and we're gonna install it on this adapter so we can install it on this MacBook Pro 2012 is the year. So let's get ready. So we're gonna open it right now. Alright, so here it is. There's two in here. Alright, so we're gonna tear this package out. Alright, so we're gonna take it out right here real quick. Alright, so here it is again. Alright, so we're gonna try to take it out of this. Guys, so now we're gonna apply it on the MacBook. Put it right over. Oh. So now we're gonna put the lid back in. Alright, so now I didn't put any screws in because we need to see if like everything is working correct and everything. So we're gonna see if everything is working right now. Oh. Guys, so in this thumb drive we have the macOS Mojave. So now we're gonna install it on the hard drive that we just put inside of this MacBook. So here. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go to disk utility to format the hard drive. So right here. Alright, and now we click on this. And then show all devices, erase, and then Macintosh. Oops. Macintosh. SSD, and then erase. And then we click done. And then now we click X, and then go to install macOS. And then now we click continue, agree, and then Macintosh SSD. And now we have to wait for it to install on the MacBook.